everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my post-holiday hair wash routine. So let's go ahead. So I have just got back from holiday where I spent a lot of time in the sun, pool, sea, and while I did protect my hair as best as you can while you're doing those things, I do just want to give my hair a little bit of extra care on wash day today. So I thought I would share with you my post-holiday routine. This is going to be a very simple routine. These are the results that I got, and I pretty much use all budget-friendly products, just with a couple of higher-end products in there. So keep watching if you want to know what products I use. I'm not going to be spending a lot of time doing any brush styling or sectioning my hair. I'm going to focus on repairing or preventing any damage that may have been caused while I was on a holiday, giving my scalp some extra TLC, and really removing any product buildup or any other kind of buildup that I have on my hair from being on holiday. That is what I'm going to be doing, and these are the results I got. So yeah, I did just want to talk a little bit very quickly about how I protect my hair when I'm on holiday. Because I have long hair, I really don't wear it down a lot. It's a little bit hot, it's a little bit sticky, it gets sun cream on it. Heat, humidity, sun cream, long hair on skin, they're just not a great combo. So I like to wear my hair up as much as I can. I'll wear it in a messy bun, I'll put a scarf on it to accessorize, I'll put it in French plaits, for example, when I'm swimming so it doesn't get all tangled. I wear it down a little bit on a couple of nights, but for the most part I wear it up. So because I basically want a very low maintenance routine when I'm on holiday, I don't want to be thinking about my hair a lot, I like to use a protectant spray, and I use the Miracle Shield protectant spray on my hair. I just really like using this and knowing that my hair is protected while I'm sitting out in the sun. I either use it over the top of a leave-in conditioner or curl cream, or in place of a leave-in conditioner or curl cream. I did actually use it today in my routine, and I used it in place of a leave-in conditioner, so you'll see how I use it then. But yeah, that is enough nattering for me, so let's get into my post-holiday hair care routine. First up, I'm going in with a pre-wash treatment. I'm going to be using the Curlsmith Bond Curl, which is a bonding treatment that's going to help really repair and restore any damage to my hair bonds that I got during my holiday. So I'm going to just apply this generously over damp hair. So I wet my hair and I wrung a bit of the water out, and I'm just applying it all through the lengths of my hair, and then I'm going to tie my hair up just in a bun, and I'm going to leave it for about 15 minutes. You can leave it to up to an hour as well, depending on how damaged your hair is. So I've left the treatment on for about 20 minutes, and it's actually really good at detangling your hair before washing it as well. So now I'm just running my hands through my hair to quickly finger detangle it, and now I'm rinsing it all out, but it doesn't have to be super thorough because we're now going in with shampoo. I'm using a shampoo that contains sulfates because I really want to get rid of any buildup that's on my scalp and hair, making sure to take it down the lengths of my hair as well to really remove any product buildup. And then I'm rinsing my hair thoroughly to get all of the buildup out, massaging my scalp as I do so. Now is for the second wash. I'm going in with the Umberto Giannini Scalp Restore shampoo. Some parts of my hair get a little bit itchier and more built up than others, so I'm really focusing the shampoo there, and then again I'm taking it down the lengths. I really love this shampoo because it really removes buildup from my hair, and it stops it getting itchy between wash days as well. I get a real thorough, long-lasting cleanse with this shampoo. And now I'm rinsing my hair, again rinsing thoroughly and massaging my scalp as I do so, making sure it's all rinsed from the lengths of my hair. And then I'm going in with a Scalp Restore conditioner. So first I'm just applying it to the lengths of my hair all as one, and then I split my hair into two, and I'm gently finger detangling my hair. It doesn't actually need that much detangling because I obviously detangled with the Bond Curl beforehand. Then I'm just running a brush through it to get rid of any remaining tangles, and there we go, it's all tangle free now. So I can completely rinse out all of the conditioner, making sure it's all out of my hair. Now I'm just scrunching out a bit of the water because I'm going to tie my hair up while I get dressed and then onto styling. So my hair is very wet still, and I'm first going in with the Miracle Shield Protector Spray. I've been using this all throughout my holiday, so I really wanted to keep protecting my hair using it. So I'm just spraying it through the lengths of my hair and then brushing it through to distribute. And now on to mousse. I've been loving using mousse recently, especially this one. And when I was on holiday, I used the Stronghold version of this mousse, which I got really good results with. But today I wanted to use the volume one. So I just glazed it over my hair and then I'm raking it through just to make sure it's evenly distributed. And then I'm just giving my roots a shake to help give a little bit of root lift. And then I flipped my hair to the side and I'm just adding a little bit of extra mousse. And now I'm just brushing my hair up and away from my scalp to create some root lift, and this is also going to help create some curl clumps. And here I am doing the same on the back section and giving it a shake. I realised that my hair needed to be a bit wetter to actually form curl clumps, so I'm just adding some more water here before I apply my gel for extra hold. It's really important for my hair to be wet enough when I'm forming curl clumps and when I'm applying my gel, because if it's not, then my clumps can just go a little bit stringy. So adding some more water should help that. And now I'm just giving it a little scrunch to form the curl clumps, and then I'm going to flip to the other side and do the same. Just a little scrunch just to help achieve some definition and curl clumps. And now I'm going in with my gel for hold. This is another really budget-friendly product. It's really thick, so I mix it with water in my hands and I'm just gently glazing it over my hair, mixing the product in my hands and then glazing it over my hair again until I've used all of the product in my hands. And I just continue doing that over the canopy of my hair, and then I flip to the other side and do the same, just glazing it over gently, making sure all areas are covered. And then I'm going to start scrunching my hair to encourage curl clumps and definition, making sure to lift at the root as well. Now I flip forward just so I can really get up to the roots of my hair and create some root lift, and I'm lifting the back section there and scrunching, and one last scrunch to the side, and it's time to diffuse. So I'm not going to show you my entire routine, but this is towards the end of diffusing. So I basically pixie diffuse and flip to each side. It took about 30 minutes to diffuse, as it usually does. I did actually add a little bit extra product partway through drying. I just added a bit more of the gel, and these are my results, and I am so impressed. For a pretty much budget-friendly wash day, my hair's bouncy, clumpy, it feels nice, it looks healthy, and yeah, that's the routine. I am blown away by this wash day. Such juicy curl clumps. I'm actually going to separate this one because I think that could be a couple of curls rather than just one massive sausage curl. But yeah, I'm really impressed. A really good mix of volume, definition, and for a simple styling routine, no brush styling, no sectioning, I'm really impressed with these results. So yeah, I really hope you found the video helpful. Let me know in the comments if you did, and let me know how you give your hair a little bit of TLC when you get back from holiday, or how you make sure you keep your curls protected throughout your holiday. As always, if you did enjoy the video, please feel free to give it a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.